I'm gonna play you like an instrument. Listen close to the beat of the drums. Light you up like a cigarette. Inhale the smell of your perfume. Let me play it till you go insane. Listen close to the beat of your heart. I can't wait to feel you close again, dancing in the dark. I wanna love you like a girl I never loved before. I give you all the love I never gave someone before.
Let's suppose that you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream. And that you could, for example, have the power within one night to dream 75 years of time. Every kind of pleasure. And after several nights of 75 years of total pleasure each, you would say, well, that was pretty great. But now let's have a surprise.
I wanna love you like a girl I never loved before. I give you all the love I never gave someone before.
Let's have a dream which isn't under control. Well, something is going to happen to me that I don't know what it's going to be. Then you would get more and more adventurous, and you would make further and further out gambles as to what you would dream. Finally, you would dream where you are now. You would dream the dream of living the life that you are actually living today. You are actually living today.